Ever noticed your cat staring intently at a seemingly empty corner or hissing at thin air? Get ready because we're diving deep into whether your feline friend can actually see something we can't. If you're a cat lover, curious about the paranormal, or just enjoy a good mystery, hit that subscribe button and let's explore this together. Stick around and learn something new. So, cats can see ghosts. It's a wild claim, right? But let's break it down. While science can't officially confirm ghostly visions, cats possess some seriously impressive sensory abilities that might explain why they react to things we don't perceive. First off, their vision. You know how cats see amazingly well in low light? Well, that's because they have a high concentration of rod cells in their eyes. Rod cells are photoreceptors in the retina of the eye that are specialized for sensitivity to dim light. Humans have these too, but cats have a lot more, which means they can perceive levels of light that are undetectable to the human eye. This means they can see subtle movements and faint light sources that we completely miss. Think about it. Maybe that ghostly apparition is just a tiny fluctuation of light, or a barely perceptible shadow that a cat picks up on instantly. Their range of vision is quite different than ours, and some scientists believe that some animals can see parts of the electromagnetic spectrum that we cannot see. Now, let's talk about their hearing. Cats can hear frequencies way beyond our range, up to 64 kHz, whereas humans max out at around 20 kHz. According to research published in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior, Clinical Applications and Research, their superior hearing allows them to detect the ultrasonic sounds made by rodents and other small prey. But think about it another way. Maybe they're also picking up on environmental sounds or electrical interferences that we can't hear. Could some of those ghostly encounters simply be a reaction to ultrasonic noises we are totally oblivious to? Perhaps a faulty appliance or a change in atmospheric conditions. Some people theorize that ghosts can manipulate EMF, electromagnetic fields, which could create noises in higher frequencies. Then there's their sense of smell. A cat's olfactory system is far more advanced than ours. They have around 200 million odor receptors compared to our measly 5 million. They can detect pheromones and subtle scent changes in their environment, something humans just don't stand a chance at picking up. So maybe they're not seeing a ghost, but smelling some kind of environmental change, or perhaps even reacting to chemical changes associated with electrical activity. Who knows? And let's not forget their whiskers. Those aren't just cute facial decorations. They're highly sensitive tactile senses. They can detect the slightest changes in air currents, helping them navigate in the dark and sense nearby objects. A slight breeze, a small change in air pressure. They feel it all. Perhaps they're feeling some change in pressure we don't and react. Now here's a fun tip you can try at home. Next time your cat is staring intensely at a spot, try to rule out simple explanations first. Check for insects, drafts, or any unusual sounds. If you've eliminated all the obvious causes, then maybe, just maybe, your cat is perceiving something beyond your senses. Of course, there's always the skeptical argument. It's just a cat being a cat. And that's totally valid. Cats are quirky creatures with their own unique personalities and behaviors. But considering their enhanced sensory abilities, it's not entirely far-fetched to wonder if they're experiencing the world in a way that's vastly different from our own. What we call ghosts, they might simply perceive as a natural phenomenon. There's also the argument for their intuition. Cats can sense changes in their owners' routines, emotional states, even when women are pregnant. There are stories of cats alerting their owners to potential issues, and there is proof that cats are great for emotional regulation. Have you ever witnessed your cat behaving strangely? Share your stories in the comments below.